Hey guys, Colleen here. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to swatch and review the limited edition Sacha Lip Matte Velvet Lip Kit. It's in the mini form. This retails for $250 TT. If you are a loyalty member, you do get 10% discount off of this, which brings it down to $225. You can only get these in the Sacha image centers across Trinidad and Tobago. As far as what I have seen, this is currently sold out. It actually sold out before the intended date for it to be sold in stores, which makes this review a bit bittersweet for me because it sucks that I can't tell you in terms of whether I like it or not to go and buy it. I will say to whoever is watching from Sacha Cosmetics, bring it back, you know, do a round two, give Trinis a chance, Trinbagonians a chance, because you know how we Trinbagonians are. We tend to be very last minute when it comes to jumping on a bandwagon or jumping to get something, alright? Anyways, in terms of this product, I do have some strong points and some critiques. Strong points is I like the fact that it comes in 12 brand new shades, you know, that hopefully is not repeated. But again, I can't say off the cuff because I only own one of their matte liquid lipsticks from the kit, the full size. It's Girl that I bought recently, but they say it's 12 never before released shades. The only thing is it's limited edition, so if I fall in love with a shade, there's no way for me to go out and repurchase it. It is a great collector's item. It's a great way to introduce people who have not tried the product like myself. You know, it's a good introduction to certain colors and whatnot. I will say though that the consistency of the colors in this kit is very inconsistent. The neons pull very watery and patchy on my lips, and I have very pigmented lips, so I have to apply layers upon layers of product to get a certain level of opacity. But even self, it still was not a smooth application. The berry tone colors were probably the best in terms of pigmentation and formula. Those glided on seamlessly and beautifully, and I love those. And the nudes actually surprised me because the packaging gave it a particular lean in terms of the shade, but they actually look pretty decent on my lips. For anyone who is darker, you may have to use a lip liner, but for the most part, when I swatched these liquid lipsticks, I did not need a lip liner. Sacha Cosmetics did give the option of loyalty card members buying it in store and non-loyalty card members buying it online. My thing is, I think they should have allowed non-loyalty members to buy in store because, you know, some people just don't have a credit card to make an online purchase. That's just the reality of it. In terms of the availability, like I said, it was limited edition, and what kind of blew my mind is it wasn't available to international buyers, people living overseas. It was only available to Trinbagonians, so I don't know how far this review will go in terms of helping anybody out there outside of Trinidad and Tobago in getting this kit. I really hope that based on the overwhelming positive feedback in terms of it being sold out way in advance, that Sacha takes that now as a sign to do either a round two of this kit or to just bring out the mini liquid lipsticks. When I did the calculations of this, an individual shade cost just around $21 TT, and with the discount it was about $18.75, which is not bad because when was the last time you could recall getting a makeup item for under 20 TT dollars? It's been a while, right? Yeah. So they say that each liquid lipstick, and I'll just show you. This is what it looks like here in the kit. I love the kit. How it's staged and everything is very practical. I think I will keep it in its storage, its current storage. I wouldn't incorporate it in my main liquid lipstick collection because it will get lost in the fray. I like it like this. It displays very nicely. Another gripe I had is the fact that it did not have names. It just had numbers. I think it would have added to the collection if they incorporated names, you know, give it a little playfulness. So yeah, so that's like another gripe. And the fact that it's limited edition, I can't tell you to go out and get it. I forgot one thing. They said that these liquid lipsticks are half the size of a full-size liquid lipstick. Now, a full-size liquid lipstick like this typically retails for between 50 and 60 TT dollars. That's just about 10 US thereabouts. This is the size of the minis next to it here. Now they say that this is half size of this. I don't think it is, because if you look at how thick the full size is to how thin the mini is, I think you get under half the amount of product. But I mean, I stand to correction. Sacha could always come out and say how much product you get in the mini size, but you do get 0.2 fluid ounces of product in the main size, the full size. So let us just get into the swatches now.
Love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. On the other side, it's alright. Just hold me in the dark. No one's gotta know what we do. With me out when you're bored. Cause I live down the street, so hear me when you need it, it's yours. The lie is, nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Oh no. We don't gotta hide. This is what you like, can't admit. Nothing feels better. You say we're just friends, but I swear when nobody's around.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you got this kit or not, and if you're interested, tell Sacha, lobby and tell them, hey, bring it back, give us a round two, give us a second chance. You know, consumer voice is a very powerful voice and we need to start using it. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, bye guys.